want to DIY a concrete top table eventually, but you know, hopes and dreams being what they are, I'm not sure when that's going to happen. So I'm making this do in the meantime. In my backyard, and we're working slowly toward getting ready for pool season, and that includes redoing several of the tables. You guys already saw the teak table that I redid, and now I'm working towards spray painting over an old patio table that I bought from Target several years ago. It started off black, and then I painted it a taupe color because I didn't want everything to be matchy-matchy, and now I'm going to do green. The table's not in great shape. It's kind of really rusty, and it's not ideally what I like out here. I want to DIY a concrete top table eventually, but you know, hopes and dreams being what they are, I'm not sure when that's going to happen. So I'm making this do in the meantime. It's going to be a super simple project. I'm not going to put a touch of perfection on it. It's just to get us through. So it's as easy as a little bit of sandpaper to sand it down just lightly so that it can take that spray paint. And then I've got this spray paint, and you can get it from any hardware store. This is Satin Italian Olive is the color that I'm using, because I think it's just going to be a really pretty contrast with the brick behind me. So I'm ready to go. So that's it. 3 cans of spray paint, less than $20, got us a table that's gonna last until we get our dream table. So if you guys have a table that needs to kind of limp along for another season, this is the perfect solution for you.